Hey, what's up guys, Auto Fanatics. So today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my absolute favorite ceramic marketed, ceramic infused car wash soap. Now, I have tried every ceramic based soap on the market, from Chemical Guys, from Adams, from Lenos Garage, from Masterson's, Ethos, you name it. If there's a soap on the market that is marketed as ceramic or graphene, I have tested and tried all of them. This is my absolute favorite. Why? First off, I'm a fan of Jay Leno, regardless. He's a serious car guy. I love the way it smells. I love the way it foams up. It has superb lubrication, intense self-cleaning action, and awesome water repellency after you're done with your wash. So this bottle here, 16-ounce bottle, is about 15 bucks on the Jay Leno's website. They do not sell on Amazon. They also sell, I think, in Walmart and Pep Boys and stuff like that. But if anybody out there is interested in ceramic, if you want a simple wash and wax type of soap, in my opinion, this is the absolute best. So I'm going to show you guys a quick demonstration. We got a couple of ounces in the Lenos Garage. Brilliant finish foam can. We're going to foam up my car. I'm going to get you some close-up shots of the foaming action. Then we're going to show you guys the dwelling and the self-cleaning. We're going to show you the rinse down and the final finish after we dry it off. So let's get started right now. All right, guys, we're just going to do a quick demo, but just want to show you guys the car is dirty. You can see we have dirt kicked up on the fenders. I just did the wheels quick, but the car is pretty dirty. There's a lot of dirt that's been stuck on it. You can see right there. So we're just going to do a quick touchless wash using the Jay Leno's ceramic wash. I just want to show you guys the foaming action. I'm going to show you guys the cleaning action. Then I'm going to rinse it. I'm going to show you guys the water beading action. And then we'll blow dry the car and I'll show you guys the final results. So let's get the foam cannon right now. We're going to load it up and foam up the car. All right, guys, here we go. Now you can just see the intensity of how thick the foam is. Look at that right there. This stuff is no joke. That's where, like, the Chemical Guys Hydro Slick and the Lenos Garage Ceramic Wash, they just don't cut it with the foaming action. So this is basically like a legitimate snow foam, just with a really enhanced wash and wax properties. I mean, look at that. Absolutely insane. So that's it. We're going to let that sit for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to show you guys some of the self-cleaning action. All right, guys, so just let it dwell for a couple of minutes. You could just see we've got some self-cleaning properties in the foam runoff. That's what I wanted to highlight. So this soap actually does clean the vehicle touchless if your car's maintained like mine. But it works absolutely outstanding. It's also free rinsing. I've actually tried this stuff in direct sun. It's pretty hot out right now. It's about 90. But the sun is going down. You can just see all that dirt right there. So we're going to get the pressure washer. We're going to rinse it off. And I'm going to show you guys how it beads while we rinse it down right now. All right, guys, let's rinse it down. You can see the intense water beading. So you can see how free it rinses, superb water beating. So like I said, I'm not going to use the drying aid. I'm not going to use the 007 ceramic or hypergloss to dry the car off. I'm actually just going to go grab one of my blowers, whichever one is charged, and we're going to blow dry the car completely. Then we're going to stand back. You're going to see the final finish. And it's 100% touchless. So all the dirt that was on the car, you can see, look at all the tight water beads. So the Lenos ceramic wash really, really works. It kind of hits every single target criteria. Exceptional. It also smells really, really good. I'm not sure what the fragrance is. I think it's called passion fruit, but it's one of the better fragrance smelling soaps that I've tested. The stuff that I tested from Adams was like a solvent. It was really, really nasty to use. The stuff in the gray bottle, I didn't really like it at all. And this stuff just seems to work better. Puts out much more foam, better self-cleaning, and you can see that there. So we're gonna get the blower right now and dry it off. All right, guys, so the Ego blower is the only one that I have charged. The Works is dead. So here we go. So you guys can see how easy the car is to dry because of the protection that it left from the Lenos ceramic soap. So I'm gonna finish drying off the car and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. All right, guys, so the wash is all done. Just wanna show you guys a close-up. You can see the gloss intensity. You already saw the water repellency and the water beading. There's no water spots on the windows. I actually think this stuff, the Lenos Garage Ceramic Soap, is my personal favorite in this category of any of the ceramic graphene-infused soaps that are on the market. So you can only get this stuff on the Lenos Garage website, and also I think in Walmart or Pep Boys or some of those retail stores that are not really around where I live. But if you guys are looking for probably the ultimate best wash and wax type of soap, I highly, highly recommend this. Go check it out. If anybody has used it, post it in the comment section below, but I think you guys are gonna be really happy. Now, don't think you're gonna get these results with a $79 pressure washer, or if your car is heavily contaminated with fallout and iron deposits. It's not gonna happen. This is designed for a car that's properly protected like mine, and you can see the results with a 100% touchless solution. All I used to dry the car was the Ego blower. I just blew it off like I showed you in the video, and I used a 16x16 Lenos Garage PFM towel to go inside the jams and touch up a couple of water drips. But you can see it came out absolutely phenomenal. There's no water spotting. The car is 100% clean without agitation. I didn't have to pull out the buckets. I didn't have to go crazy with the wash mitts. It works exceptional. Now, in my opinion, as far as all of the ceramic-infused, graphene-infused soaps that I've tested and tried in the last 2 years, the Lenos ceramic I think is my favorite. It's also probably the most economical. It's $14.99 now. It just works great. It foams up incredible with the Lenos Garage Billion Fitted Foam Cannon and a proper pressure washer like I showed you. Exceptional self-cleaning, no water spots on the windows, free rinsing, exceptional hydrophobic properties and water beading, and it makes the car easier to dry when you're done, and it smells really good as well. So I think you guys, if you guys are looking for a wash and wax or a simple one-step solution if your car is maintained or ceramic coated or you're meticulous like I am, definitely check this out, Lenos Garage Ceramic Wash. I think you guys are going to be really, really impressed. If you guys have used it or tested it, post it in the comments below. But I think this stuff is awesome. I'm not sure who manufactures this for them, but I'll be honest with you, if I could get in touch with the manufacturer, I would actually private label this stuff and sell this on my own website. That's how good this stuff is. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys soon.
Sometimes